Welcome to the Knacklers workshop. I'm Paul. Today's video is a request for help. I'm trying to establish what colour the lathe shown in the photographs is. It's my Unimat SL. I plan to restore it and I'm trying to source the original colour. I think it may well be a Hammerite Liberty Green, but I'm not 100%. So if anyone out there does know the name of the real colour, I'd be grateful if you could leave the details in the comments. Also, I'd like to take this opportunity to say thank you to everyone who's subscribed and also everyone who's watched my videos. I'm very grateful, and I'm fairly new to this. Well, I'm very new to this, so hopefully things will get better as time goes on. So please stick with me. Anyway, thanks very much, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye.